I hope everyone is doing fine, and I hope you all have seen my last video, so that these videos are continuation of the previous videos. So I'm teaching it as lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. Please do watch the lesson 1 before, because this is the lesson 2. When you understand the lesson 1, it will be very easy for you to understand the lesson 2. Okay, so welcome back to my channel again, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the like button. Also, in the last class, we have studied how we can change the screen color depending on a button. When you click on a button, we were able to change the screen color. Today, what we will be doing is, today we will create one app which will calculate the area of the triangle. Yes, you heard it right, area of the triangle. Now, I thought, why don't we create some useful app so that it will be very useful for you, because you all do maths. Most of the students do maths and they are very confused about these areas and volumes and everything. So so let's put it into the thought like this way. Like, suppose you have so many maths problems and it is asking you to calculate the area of a triangle. So every time you have to do that calculation. But when we create the app for area of a triangle, which calculates the area of a triangle, it will become so much handy. You can also share this app with your friends. Okay? So I hope, I don't hope, I must, tell you that everyone should know what is the area of a triangle, because it is the basic thing. You might have learned this in your, school classes and everywhere, but let me revise you here as well, because suppose someone is not aware about this, they will understand it better. So, as you know, to calculate the area of a triangle, we have a specific formula. And what is that formula? Formula is 1 by 2 multiplied by height multiplied by base of a triangle. Now, every time what happens, the triangle height is different, triangle base size is different. So, it depends on that area value keeps on changing. Hmm? So here we are going to create this app which will calculate the area of a triangle for every value. Yes, you have to enter only two values. One is the height, another is the base, and our app will calculate the area. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in the last class, I told you to create any app, you first have to design it. So let's go to the designing. And yeah, one more thing I wanted to tell, that in the last class I have told you that in the code.org, how to log into the code.org, how to click on create, and click on app lab, you will come to this page. Now here, after coming back to this page, you have to go to design. Okay. Now I hope everyone is aware what is the area of triangle, because I have just explained. Okay, the students who are already aware, good, and who were not knowing about this, I hope they understood now. So this is the designing toolbox. Now what happens here, we want to calculate the area of a triangle, and we want to create the app which everyone should understand that kind of app. So here, what we will do is, first of all, we will take a label. Okay, how to take the component I have told you in the last class only. Just take a label. Okay, I have kept the label. In the last class we have taken a button, but today we have taken a label. So inside that label we will put the text. Okay, I told you in the last class, the lesson 1, that there are some properties and these properties are related to that component. You have to just click on the component, the properties will appear over here. So abhi kya karna hai hame, just we want to put the text inside the label. Now what will be the text? See, we want two things from the user. One is the height of the triangle, another is the base of the triangle. So first of all, we will enter the base of a triangle. Okay, now as you can see, the triangle is not visible here. Why? Because you have to just take it to the left side like this, and I will increase the height of it. But if you want this should come in a single line, then you can increase the width of the label. Yes, now it came in a single line, so just slightly increase the font size so it looks better. You can also increase the width, like dragging it over here on the screen. Okay. Yes, if you want any background color to put over here, you can just click on this background color and put any color which you want it, so that it can suit our designing. You can also change the text color. Like you can see right now the text color is in, blackish color. Click here so that you can change it to the color which you want. Maybe I will change it to something different, a little bit darker color. Okay, I hope this looks good now. Okay, great. Now we have asked the user enter the base of a triangle, but now we have to give some components so that user can enter. So in code.org, the one component is there called text input. Inside the text input, user can enter the values. Okay, just remember, whenever we want some input from the user, we use the text input, drag and drop. Okay, now suppose user is still confused where to enter, then you can, there is a placeholder. Just remember, when you click on the label, it will show you properties for the label. When you click on the text input, it will show you properties for the text input. So it will happen with every component. Okay, I hope this much is clear. So suppose the user is still confused where to enter the base, so there is a placeholder property. Placeholder is nothing but the hint. What is placeholder? It is nothing but a hint. So inside the placeholder you can enter, like you can give the hint to the user, like enter base. Can you see, as soon as I enter here, it is showing here enter base. So now there will be no confusion to the user. Similarly, what we will do now, we will take another label because we want to take the height of the triangle also. So just take enter the height of a triangle. It came. And now similarly to the previous label, we will also increase its font size. After increasing the font size, we will also change its background color or text color, whatever, whichever you want, you can just change it to that. Okay, it is not compulsory that the colors which I am changing to, you should also change it to, those particular colors. It's completely fine even if you change it to other colors. Okay, all right, so this much is done. I will just skip it a little bit to the left side. And yes, now we have given a space to enter the base. Similarly, we will give the space to enter the height. And similarly, we will also add the placeholder, that is enter height. So now there will be no confusion to the user where to enter the height. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Great. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below. Now, what we will do, now we want to take a button. Okay, so why we have taken a button, that I will tell you. But we have taken a button, and text on the button we will do a calculate area. Okay, you can also increase the width of the button like this. And yes, of course, you can also change the color. Background color is very important. It gives, that amazing look to your screen. You can take any color as per your choice. Suppose I will take this. Okay, now what should happen, what will happen now when we run it? Okay, user will see enter the base of a triangle. All right, suppose I entered 20 and enter the height of a triangle. Okay, I have to enter here 10. Then after entering it, I will click on the calculate area button. But once I click on the calculate area button, it should display me the area, right? So we have to take one another label. Why we are taking the label? Because inside the label we can display the things. Okay, whenever you want to print anything or you want to display something important, you just take a label. It is the easiest component that you can use, and it is very simple. So just take a label at the bottom of this. And now just what I will do here, this will be our area of a triangle. Inside this label, we are going to display the area of a triangle. So I will just increase the font size. So, because this is our answer, and answer should look little bit bigger. Yes, that's good. That's amazing. Now it will look better. And you can also change the background color so that it will look even more amazing. Let me just quickly change it to different color. All right, this one is okay. Now to this, what you have to do, just delete the text from inside. Okay, and just keep it like this only over here. So what we will do is, Whenever we will run it, and whenever we enter the base and height, and after that we will click on a button. As soon as we click on this button, it will display the area of the triangle inside this. Okay, in this label it will display the area of the triangle. I hope this much is clear and no doubt is there till here. If you don't want the background color, that is fine. You can simply remove. Okay, or if you want it and also want to put some text in it, just keep it like area inside it. So while doing coding, what we can do instead of this area, we can print the answer. All right, so this is our designing. I hope everyone understood. Let me repeat it or revise. First of all, we have taken a label. Inside the label, we have what we have done. We have put the text as enter the base of a triangle. Then we have a text input, so user can enter. Then we have another label, we have another text input for the height, we have a button, and finally we have this label. Okay, this will be our output label. Whenever I say output label, it means inside that label we are going to display the answer, and in this app the answer will be the area of a triangle. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Now, screen is looking really white. So what you can do, just click on the screen. Anywhere you can click on the screen. As soon as you click, you should be able to see this ID screen one, and background color here is white. So let's just change it. It will look little better. Yeah, it is looking better. But if you don't want to change it, no compulsion. It's up to you. As I said in the last class, it's your app. Do whatever you want to do your app. It's your app, so you can do whatever you want to do with your app. It's completely free, it's completely optional, because everyone has different color choices, so that I understand. And just make sure that it is not looking too much colorful. Okay, just make it like a professional one. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is my designing of the app. I hope everyone understood. Now let's rename this area of triangle. Okay, this is done. So if you guys have any question, ask me in the comment section below. And guys, I'll do one thing. I will put the code in the next lesson. Okay, because this is the lesson 2. We have seen the designing, how to see the how to design it for the area of a triangle, but the code I will put in the next class. I hope you understand, because this way the video will become too long. I don't want it. I want you to understand slowly and deeply. So okay, so just design it before I upload the next lesson. And yes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you guys in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.